Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Hostinger domain to Squarespace. Before we begin, you can save 20% off Hostinger when you use the link down below in the description. So let's go back to the tutorial. So first, open your Squarespace website. So click on the profile icon and let's just click on the account dashboard. And here, you just need to click on this website button. And then here, go to the settings option right there at the bottom left. And then it will show you this option here. As you can see, the domains, buy, connect, and manage domains associated with your website. So you have two options, get a domain and use a domain I own. So click on this, use a domain I own. So when you click on this option, you'll find this pop-up message here. So enter the domain name you would like to use with your Squarespace site. So now let's go to Hostinger. And here, just need to copy this domain right here. So let's copy this domain. You can right click or Control C and Control V to paste it here. Then click on the arrow button to next. Now on the next page, as you can see, you have two options here, transfer domain or connect domain. So we're gonna click on this connect domain right here at the bottom. This is a recommended, so click on this one. And then you will go on the next page of the settings. So here, select the provider. You just need to find Hostinger, but if you don't find that, so just click on other. And from there, just check on that. And then here, connect domain. So click on this button here, the bottom right. And then just need to click on this continue button. Now here, you'll find all the DNS settings. So what you're going to do here, you just have to copy all the DNS settings here. So right now, we just need to go back to the Hostinger. And then here, just click on this manage. And basically, if you find your DNS settings, you'll find here, if you have already redirecting to other places, you just need to delete all of these first, or you just click on the button which says reset DNS records. So here, after you delete all the records, you just need to go to your Squarespace and just need to add the ones on this site. So we're gonna copy the name, the host, and then the type. So we're gonna copy and paste right here the name, and then the type will be CNAME. So go back and choose the CNAME, and then the target here, basically here on required data. So again, copy that. So we're gonna erase that @ symbol, and then go back here on required data. So copy on this one, and we're gonna put here on this target. And once you've done, click on this add record. So once you click on that, so basically we just added the one DNS here. So again, let's get copy to the other one or the next one here. So again, go back to your Hostinger, and we're gonna type here CNAME again, and then the host will be www. So again, go back, and here, so click on that. Again, the target will be this required data. Again, paste that right over here. So you're gonna need to add some records that are working, so you can add those remaining DNS right there, or remaining records on your Hostinger. Okay, so as you can see, we have added all the working records right here. Now, once you've done, go back to Squarespace and click on refresh records. And we just need to wait here for a few seconds. Then after all the records have been found, go ahead and view the website. So go back to the Squarespace, and you just need to click on this view website right there beside the refresh records button. So when you click on the view website right over here, then basically you'll find your website page. Now, if you find that your website is in private, all you need to do here, is go back to Squarespace. Again, go to settings and find this site availability. So right there. So as you can see, it is on private. So what you're going to do is click on the upgrade to publish, and then you will find all the subscription plan that we're going to choose. So basically we can make this on public because this is just an example. So yeah, there you go. That's how you basically connect hosting your domain to Squarespace. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.